Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hey, while I was at Daytona Bike Week, I picked up a new detailer. It's called Nano Crystal's graphiting detailer. I'm not a paid affiliate of theirs. I'm not a sponsor of theirs. It's something I got at Daytona Bike Week. Hey, if you're looking, man, for the new cleaning product, I'm telling you, I've just started doing my bike. It is absolutely amazing. Hey, if you're looking for a new product, like I said, I'm not affiliate of theirs. This Nano Crystal stuff, hey, it really does work. Y'all check it out.